I'm Kris Lovell. I'm from a little village near Cambridge called Mainey, and I'm doing a PhD in modern British history. My PhD includes a lot of different methods of analysis, including content analysis of newspapers. It's part of a wider project funded by the Lovell project, and it's doing things such as measuring newspapers, analysing how newspapers dealt with politics in the Second World War, and looking at the relationship between the two. A PhD is much more independent. You're doing your own research all the time. You get to go off to whichever archives that you feel are relevant. It's less spoon-fed information, but you have a lot more freedom to go where you want to. So you can go from, I've been to the Churchill Archives in Cambridge. I'm looking at going to Bodleian Archives in Oxford. I spend a lot of my time in the National Library here, which is a great resource for Aberystwyth University. It's got all the newspapers from the Second World War, so I haven't got to leave Aberystwyth to do a bulk of my research. It also allows you to just explore maybe different sources that you wouldn't necessarily look at. I'm also interested in doing a lot of research on memory and culture and heritage. So looking at museums, looking at how people have remembered the war. So looking at perhaps less tangible sources, but more interesting ones that are different from just archives or newspapers. Because the project is interdisciplinary, I have one supervisor here in the history department and another supervisor in theatre, film and television studies. We meet regularly, they go through the work, you can bounce ideas off them, you can talk about the project as a whole, and you get to basically share your ideas with someone who knows more about the subject, maybe, who could help influence your directions, where your research is going. I think anyone considering doing high-level research should definitely do it. It's a chance, if you get funding for 3 years of doing something that you love and you really enjoy, and what could be better than just doing what you love for 3 years. My advice to anyone thinking about doing it is apply for as much as you can. Send out applications every week, because eventually you'll find a project or you'll get an interview that really works well for you and you have a chance to do, I said, what you love. I think from doing a PhD I've definitely gained a lot more confidence. I'm a lot more independent. I know what I'm capable of and also what I want to do. For my PhD, it's not just about research, it's also about being part of the department, being part of department culture. Being a PhD student in Aberystwyth is fantastic, I think. You get the benefits of a small town, it's safe, it's fun to go out in, and you have a nice small community of postgraduates where everyone knows each other, everyone gets on. But the first thing you should do if you're thinking about doing research in Aberystwyth is definitely just come here, get on a train and see the town for yourself. And if anything like me, you'll instantly fall in love with it and it'll be the place for you to do your research.